Ladies and gentlemen, these are the dry results from my previous video. I just love everything about it. It dried perfectly, and this one's actually gonna be for sale. Don't want to let it go, but it's gonna need a new home. So if you're interested, just contact me. This video starts a new mini series. I wasn't sure what to call it, but we're gonna go with manipulating the cells. Yes, I'm back with another video. This is Garrett Brown Art Studio, and I am playing with silicone oil once again. All right, let's clear our canvas. All right, so I am going to start out building my center, and we're just going to pour all the paint out. Here we go. Today I am using Artist Loft acrylic ready to pour paints. I am tweaking it up and thickening it up with a little bit of heavy gloss gel medium and a splash of American Floetrol. So essentially what I'm doing is pouring various rings in which I will wreck using a toothpick. I'm going to do my best to create a perfect spiral and not have any gaps in the paint. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the final result. I just love everything about this piece. The colors mix so beautifully together, and I am just in awe. This technique is different. Having control over the cells is really pretty, and so I'm going to continue to tweak the recipe a bit. Check out all those colors in each cell. And I will have to work on, you see how these are the dots from where I stuck each cell. So in the future, I'm going to work on making those less noticeable, but I'm really enjoying this. As this video comes to a close, I just want to remind you to do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. Peace.